For decades, forest-dwelling communities have struggled to prove what's rightfully theirs, their land, their forests, their identity. Even after the introduction of Forest Rights Act in 2006, its implementation remains fragmented. Records are paper-based, verification is delayed, and without a centralized system, real progress often goes unseen. Our solution aims to change that. We are Team Tribal X, and we are building an AI-powered FRA Atlas, One Darpan, a digital platform that brings all claims, maps, and assets together in one transparent space. By combining AI, satellite imagery, and WebGIS technology, our system not only tracks implementation, but also empowers decision makers to ensure accountability, identify gaps, and deliver benefits faster.
Let's look upon why we chose this problem statement. FRA implementation faces major challenges. All the legacy records are scattered. The claims and pattas, which is land ownership, are not recorded and verified properly. There is no central FRA atlas, and the asset mapping is also missing. There is a lack of decision support system due to which government is unable to provide scheme to communities. The records are disconnected from digital systems. Our model One Darpan provides a better solution to this. All the scattered records are put into a centralized FRA atlas. The satellite imagery goes through asset mapping, and then assets are linked to these records and stored into our database. All the records are visible on a WebGIS portal. The decision support system helps to recommend the schemes. Now, our salient features are digital FRA Atlas, decision support system, scheme recommendation, and a feedback portal that helps two-way interaction and also connects to the analytics. Now let's talk about feasibility and viability. Our model is really reliable and technically cost efficient. It consists of IoT sensors and has nationwide coverage. It has a great return on investment and can also be funded by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Total expected cost per village is around 8,500. And we have also studied the existing models and tried to cover all the features that they majorly lack, which can be visible in our table. Now let's talk about the technical flow. First, we have the Aadhaar and QR-based verification, followed by role-based access. First, all the valid documents are collected and are digitalized through our OCR and NLP extraction. Then these are further sent for claim verification. The satellite imagery is then processed through our image processing and further goes to the ML classification, where it is classified into further ponds, farms, and other buildings. And then it goes through the object detection. IoT sensor sends the temperature and soil water data and generate inputs which are stored in database. All the assets are then linked to claims. Then we have further our dashboard and reports where all the data and analytics are shown. We have WebGIS based maps and decision support system which helps to assist with the schemes. We have our 4 stakeholders, which are government, tribal community, policymakers, and NGOs. Further extension, we have a basic feedback model that helps in the interconnectivity of our stakeholders, which has support system, geotagging, and community issue. After implementation of a model, it provides a great benefit to the tribal community and government. There is a significant increase in the claim processing, and the rejection level also decreases. Our predicted increase in scheme implementation is around 30 to 50%, which is mostly in our targeted states. We have taken references from official FRA dataset and our satellite data from Sentinel-2. We have studied the existing platforms like ISRE India, Pixel, and Bhuvan. And we have further researched on the research papers provided below to build our model One Darpan. Thank you.